Morning. Did you sleep okay?
Yeah, no, I didn't. I didn't sleep a wink.
Really?
I seriously.
Why?
Oh no.
Brain was spinning. Good morning, guys. What's your name?
Liam.
We talked all last night. Did you introduce? I don't think I introduced Matt. We talked last night for, geez, an hour, 2 hours.
Yeah.
We had a very, very. When I went to bed last night, I was so. I felt like things in my head were really nicely nestled. You know, like we had a really fairly deep conversation yesterday, and it just felt right.
Good.
So thank you. Last night we were talking about this area, and you've been here for a little while, and you're going to take me. Together we're going to ride and check out the monkeys. He's going to basically be like the
Monkey feeder.
He's going to be the recorder of the monkeys as they take me away. You'll get the document. So when everybody's like, "What happened to Matt?" You'll be like, "This is what happened to Matt."
I'll get the Trike.
I got the evidence. I got the hour.
I've got the Trike.
See you later. Police. Very nice conversation this morning with the police. One of the guys was a forensic police officer. Coincidentally, he lost his keys, which is apropos, right?
His DNA will be all.
Yeah. So now he's doing a search for his keys. Full investigation. He'll leave no stone unturned. These Aussies, everything's backwards. The toilet flushes the other way, left is right, up is down. Huh?
I never thought you was quick.
I'm barely in gear right now. So we're gonna get some peanuts to feed the monkeys and hopefully coax them onto the trike, get some fun pictures. You don't have to go fast. I go as fast as you go, so that bike was not designed for speed. Man, I'll tell you what, I have a finished bike now. Everything's new. More new than in the last episode that I said it was new. I replaced the parts last night. I came back to Prachap and just immediately got to work on the trike, getting it back set up. If you didn't watch a live stream yesterday, yeah, my parts came in Hua Hin, and I came home almost immediately, got in at night, and in the darkness, I fixed the trike for the last time. Hopefully last time. Ah, nuts.
You see my nuts?
I see your nuts. That is a fantastic sack of nuts. The area we're going to is on the other side of a military base, like a small Air Force base. So we're gonna ride over the tarmac. This is the runway. Where? Here?
Yeah, just over here a bit.
I see a couple of them.
They'll be up. Here they come. That's such a pretty monkey. You got to hold on to these.
Look at your
keep
eyes.
them close to you, you know.
Oh, you are pretty. You want one? Oh, I'll give you. Here. They're like little kids. Look at them reaching. So cute. Ready? Ayo! Hey! Oh, careful, careful. I gave you a lot. Just gotta watch out for the mouth. No hands in the mouth. You're good. Their hands are so soft.
Oh, yeah.
They're so nice. Even they're grabbing, it's like not so bad. Is that good? It's okay. You guys can come down. Here.
Monkeys.
These guys are so cool.
They look like balls.
Got a little penis and balls.
Yeah.
I wonder if that's a big one. You got a big dick? Or is that a little dick? I have no idea. Are you proud of that?
He's on Tinder.
That's probably his wife. Those are all his kids. He's like, Tinder. Damn Tinder. I like these
so
guys.
Desperate to beat them. You want some?
Oh, you are a cutie.
Hey, 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 hey.
That's not that. You know you're gonna give my brother.
They just land on you. No, you can't have the peanut.
Whoa, look at this one. There you go. Did he get it?
Yeah. Gets his nut and he goes.
Man, this was so fun. You know what? Do you have one more? Maybe I can get one on my shoulder and I can actually get a selfie shot of him.
Wait a minute.
Here,
Wait a
here.
minute.
Here.
Squirrel. Squirrel's eating one nut.
What a cutie.
The squirrel's still eating its
fight
nut.
there, huh? Got a little fight?
Yeah, I saw one on Penang Hill, and its head had been ripped off by one of the other ones.
Like just, oh, it was dead.
It was
like
dead.
it was
just a
decapitated.
head. It was just a head on the road, like the mafia, just thrown
Holy
across,
crap.
right into the middle of the road. 7 a.m. in the morning, up Penang
A Mexican
Hill,
gang.
and we were like,
Whoop. I don't know how you guys can do espresso. Just one sip and it's gone. What is the joy of drinking an espresso? Explain it to me.
it's a shot of caffeine, and it's not filling your stomach up with a lot of coffee, so it's just enough to keep you going. You know?
I want to fill myself up with. I want to feel full.
If you go to Italy,
If I have an espresso, it's
I'm sure
like
you've been in Italy.
my dad. He'll drink like a carafe and a half.
Yeah.
You know, like an entire.
Yeah.
You know, like 6 of these in the morning. You know.
Sure.
So that must be a truly American thing, right? Well, that was fun, man. Thank you so much
Cheers.
for cheering a water and an espresso. That's the weirdest cheers ever. But that was fun. Those monkeys are cool. Yeah. We went to the bathroom and I took hand sanitizer and Anyways, he's gonna go on his way. I'm gonna go on my way. But that's what I have a feeling. I have a feeling that our paths will cross again.
Cross again.
I think so. Sometimes you meet a person that you have a conversation with that affects you so profoundly and gives you so much perspective that you right away a bit different for it. I think I did that today. What an interesting story. He had some things that I could relate to on so many ways with his life and the way that he's walked his path in life. And just, hello. Thank you, Liam. All right, onward. I got to put 80 kilometers down, and so far we've done 8. And it's almost noon. I'm glad. No regrets this morning. None. Oh, super nice village here. Like really colorful and interesting. I think that riding up along the beach, the coastal roads they're a little bit more finicky with like turns and stuff, and a little slower maybe than the main road, but the fulfillment factor is, I think, much greater. I have a mission today to do about 80 kilometers. I'm doing 20 an hour, so I think that I can get it done in about 5 hours. That'll still put me into the evening. We've got 150 kilometers to get to the Champan, which is where we're going to take the ferry to do some island hopping. Just a couple of days, we'll be there.
So come and take a walk in peace. There's all the freedom you need. And go spread your love.
Lunch. Just finished some rice and some eggs, sitting outside of a 7-Eleven. Haven't gone too far today yet, 26 kilometers. Tomorrow I could put down a big day and then make it all the way to Champan. Whatever will be, will be. It's a nice morning though. I've just posted all the pictures of the monkeys and everything. I tried to do these 3D pictures of the monkey, but their fur was so flaky and wispy that the camera couldn't. It was all messy. It was all messy. Scared. Poor little bird. I don't know what to do with him. I don't think he has much hope. There's no mommy around. None that I can see. Do I give him to some locals? Do you think they'll cook him up? They won't cook him up, but maybe they'll put him in a box. Maybe try to feed him. I don't know. I can do something, I guess. Do you want to ride with me, little birdie? I think I should probably leave him on the side of the road, but I don't see any mommy bird looking for him. I found this bird. I found this bird. Real moral dilemma there. Now I could have left it on the side of the road somewhere, or it might have circle of life been eaten by something. I could have given it to those ladies, but I don't think they had any interest in helping out a little bird. Or I could have taken it with me. I don't know if I'm doing it any good, helping it out at all, but at least it'll have some companionship for whatever remains of its little birdie life. I don't even know what to feed it. If you were going to feed it, maybe this is the birth of a short-lived friendship, or maybe the last moments of a poor little bird's life. Either way, we're in it together. What a weird life this bird has lived, and it's not barely out of the nest. What do you think? Maybe that would be a good spot to drop the little birdie off. A wildlife checkpoint. At least I could check. I don't know. I just don't want to leave the bird by the side of the road all alone under a tire. Hello? Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Oh. Perfect. Great. Wow, you got us little squirrels. A big squirrel. Okay. Okay. Good. Top. Great. Bye-bye. Wow, that one worked out great. He seems like he likes animals. Let's hope those dogs don't eat him. What? Hey! I like when a story, man, that wrapped up real good. I transported that baby bird from certain death, and I drove just a few kilometers down the road, found the best place for him. I had these machinations in my head of us becoming a bird and buddy team, a bird and cyclist team, taking the road. I'd feed him every so often, but the reality of it would not be so positive. That bird would not have lasted long, shaken and scared inside my side pannier. And it's one thing if it was like a baby kitten or something, you know how to take care of, but birds are really fragile. And having him take care of that bird, I feel good. I feel very good. Today has been a really good day. The road stinks though, it smells like sewage. That's the best way, is if they give up. Riding at night has some real benefits. The temperature is so nice. This is like perfect weather. I'm along the beach looking for one, a place to eat, and two, a place to crash for the night. I'm not as far as I want to be, but I think it's okay. Let's see if this place has good food.